We will discuss factoring difference of two squares. So, pag nag-factor tayo ng difference of two squares, kinukuha lang natin ang square root ng first term at square root ng second term. Pag nakuha na natin yung square root ng first term and last term, we're going to write it in two groups at nakasulat siya ng ang operation ng isang addition at isa ay subtraction. Pero, bago yan, titingnan nyo muna kung yung given na polynomial ay naka-difference of two squares. So, paano nyo malalaman kung siya ay naka-difference of two squares? So, dapat ay two terms. And then, the first and last term should be in perfect square. And, paano malalaman naman kapag perfect square? Lalo na kung may kasamang variable with exponent, yun ay dapat ang exponent ng variable ay mayroong even number. Okay, let's have an example. Factor x squared minus 9. So, kunin natin ang square root ng first term. So, may invisible 1 yan. So, we have 1x squared. So, square root ng 1 is 1. And then, to get the square root of x squared, ang kailangan lang natin is i-divide itong exponent by 2. So, x squared, 2 divided by 2, that is x raised to 1. So, sabi ko kanina, kunin din ang square root ng second term. So, square root of 9 is 3. So, sulat nyo isang plus 3 at isang x minus 3. So, ito na yung ating factored form. Next, factor x squared minus 36. Same pa rin ang ating gagawin. Square root of the first term, we have x. Square root of the second term, 6. So, isang plus at isang minus. So, x plus 3 times x minus 6. Third example, factor 4x squared minus 81. Square root of the first term, so square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 81 is yan, plus 9, then 2x minus 9. Factor 18x squared minus 98y squared. So, dito sa polynomial natin sa number 4, so, ang 18 at 98 ay hindi siya mga perfect square. So, pwede siya namang i-factor using the GCF first. Palalabasin natin na meron siyang difference of two square. Kasi ito ay factorable using the GCF. So, ang GCF dito sa number 4, ang greatest common factor of 18 and 98 is 2. Ibig sabihin, ang 18 and 98, ang greatest integer that we can divide to both of the two numbers is 2. So, ang ating factors ay 18 divided by 2. So, divide natin, we have 9. So, bring down x squared. Then, 98 divided by 2 is 49. So, copy mo yung sign. 98 divided by 2, 49. Bring down y squared. So, syempre, copy nyo yung GCF kasi pinactor out na natin. Nilagay natin siya sa labas. The next, meron na tayong difference of two squares. So, ito, pwede na natin siya factor. Gamit ang difference of two square. So, 2 times square root of 9x squared is 3x, then square root of 49 is 7, and then square root of y squared is y times, so isang plus at isang minus, 3x minus 7y. Yan ating factored form. Okay, example number 5, factor 9x cubed minus 81x. So, mapapansin nyo, ang coefficient niya perfect square, 9 at saka 81. Pero, pagdating sa variable with exponent, hindi even number. So, ang exponent dito ng x is 3. Okay? And then 1. So, kailangan natin i-factor out ang ating GCF para magkaroon tayo ng difference of two squares. Okay, so ang GCF ng 9 and 81 is 9. And then the common variable with the least exponent is x. So, divide natin ang ating bawat term sa ating GCF para makuha natin other factor. So 9x cubed divided by 9x is 9x divided by 9x. 9x cubed divided by 9x is x squared. Kasi 1 na yun. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So x cubed divided by x, subtract the exponent. Kaya meron tayong x squared. Then 81x divided by 9x is minus 9. So meron tayong difference of 2 square, yung x squared minus 9. So copy nyo si 9, yung GCF, 9x times factor yung other factor, we have x squared minus 9. Square root ng first term is x, square root of 9 is 3, then x minus 3. Okay, number 6. Factor x, 16x raised to 4 minus 1. So even number, and then siya perfect square in dalawang terms. So factor niya ay square root ng 16x raised to 4 ay 4x squared. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Kaya naging x squared. Plus square root of 1 is 1. So we have 4x squared. So isang plus at isang minus. Ito, hindi na siya factorable kasi hindi naman siya naka-difference of 2 square. Kahit nasabihin ninyo na yung ating first term and then the last term ay perfect square integer, pero since ang ating operation ay plus, hindi na siya factorable, prime na siya. Okay, hindi siya difference of 2 square. So, copy nyo lang, 4x squared plus 1. So, ito yung other factor natin, 4x squared minus 1. Ito yung naka-difference of 2 square. So, factorable pa siya. So, ipa-factor natin siya. So, factor natin, square root of ng 4x squared is 2x, square root of 1 is plus 1. Then, 2x minus 1. So, ito na yung ating factors, or factored form. Thank you.